Hello everyone, I'm Vicky. It's my pleasure to share my speech entitled On Attractiveness. Have you ever imagined becoming truly charming? So you try to wear makeup to look beautiful or cater to others' preferences. Or you might try hard to become physically and mentally strong. Everything looks great when you do these things. You gain good relationships and everyone admires you, but you lose yourself. You know it's not the real you. You hate the idea of becoming a charmer, yet still desire it. Culture defines what a real charmer should be. It should be talkative, confident, and appealing. In order to achieve this, we change our outward behavior and inner attitude. What culture tells us might be true, but what it doesn't tell you is that real charm comes from cultivating inner strength, not just following the crowd. Every time you deny yourself because of others' criticism, try to resist it. You know you're kind, generous, and caring. That's enough. There's no need to care about others' opinions. Stay firm in your own values. That is the way to become naturally charming. Thanks for listening. Have a nice day.